Niall Traynor, Precast Contracts Manager. Started back in June 2021. Predominantly I run 5 to 6 different projects across predominantly the Leinster region at the minute, but we have projects in Cork and stuff, but I predominantly look after the Leinster region. Projects vary from nursing homes to schools to apartments. An awful lot of apartment building in Dublin at the minute, so very much focused on apartments at the moment. We think of the precast as a 3-stage project, one being design stage initially, and then production stage, and then in-site installation. So I'd be involved in all 3 stages, right from the very start, right through to the very end, and hand it over to the client. Kilsaran's a huge organisation, but they very much look after each individual. They don't see as just a number, they fully look after you. And I think that's key, and it's one thing about Kilsaran as well, they don't stand still. They want you to move forward, they want you to progress. They're very much about developing their managers and labour on site and stuff like that as well. So there's no money scarce on developing people if they want to go to college, they want to training, so on and so forth. There's no end to it, like, you know.